Python operator part 2. In this video, I will shows and demo about all these operators. Number 1. Comparison operator, 2. Logical operator, 3. Bitwise operator, 4. Assignment operator, 5. Special operator and, number 6. Membership operator. Number 1. Comparison operators. There are many type of operator. They are such as, a greater than operator, a less than operator, an equal to operator, not equal to operator, a greater than or equal to operator, and, a less than or equal to operator. The comparison operators are used to make comparisons in Python and the output is either true or false. Here is the example of using comparison operator. Number 2. Logical operator are using the logical and operator, logical or operator and logical not operator for conditional statement to return the logical result either true or false. In Python, logical operators, they are used on conditional statements either true or false. This is the example using logical operator. Number 3. Bitwise operator, they are using all these operator in Python. Here is the example using Bitwise operator. Number 4. These are the assignment operator in Python programming. In Python, we use assignment operators to assign values to variables. Here is the example using assignment operator. Number 5. These are the special operator using is for true if the operands are identical and is not meaning of true if the operands are not identical. Here is example using special operator. Number 6. These are membership operator in Python. Here is the example for membership operator.